How to turn on Honeywell water heater? Follow the step. Put the control knob to the off position and wait 10 minutes. Turn the gas control knob to the pilot position. Depress and hold down the pilot set button and gas control knob. At the same time, press and tapping igniter until you are hearing the click sound. Do this process in 90 seconds. Once the pilot light is on, continue holding the pilot set button or gas control knob for a minute so that the flame can hit the thermocouple and generate enough electricity to keep the gas valve open. Release the button or knob, which should pop back up. Set the thermostat to the desired temperature, such as a hot A or B position. Your water heater should be running smoothly now. Thanks for watching this video. I think it will help you how to turn on Honeywell water heater pilot light. When your meter is on, then you see the flashing light is on. Continue, and in the under over here you see the light over there, a fire, you can see the fire, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.